Hello and welcome to Cohesive Network's VNS3 version 4. My name is Ryan Koop, and in this video I'll walk through some VNS3 version 4 web UI improvements. This release is available on all major cloud providers as well as some of the small regional and vertical providers. VNS3 is a virtual appliance that our customers run as part of their cloud application deployments. What it does is VNS3 takes all the network connectivity and security functions that are normally available at the data center edge and provides them at the application edge. This is especially important when running workloads in third-party controlled environments like public cloud. VNS3 gives our customers an application-specific security appliance, application delivery controller, and unified threat management device, all rolled into an easy-to-use virtual form factor. These VNS3 appliances are deployable as standalone instances, or they can be configured in a mesh for a larger and federated network. VNS3 is configured and managed via the Web UI or RESTful API. In this video, I'll focus on the UI improvements, as most of our customers start with the UI before plugging their DevOps or automation frameworks into the API. VNS3 version 4 is a complete refresh from the bottom up. We've updated the hardened OS as well as the underlying components of VNS3. The UI gets a major makeover in version 4, and it really focuses on readability, ease of use, and maximizing screen real estate. This is important as a lot of our customers are moving larger and more important applications and networks to the cloud. What we're looking at now is the runtime status page. This is essentially the device homepage once the VNS3 controller is configured. Displays basic status information as well as the various connections running through the controller. Things like the other controllers and appeared mesh, overlay network server connections, and site-to-site IPsec connections are now all displayed in updated sortable, searchable, and paginated tables. The client pack page also gets an update moving toward the sortable, searchable, and paginated table display. We've also consolidated all the actions that can be taken on a credential into a single action button. Enable, disable, tag, regenerate, and logging are now all available via the action menu. The IPsec system gets some major improvements in version 4 as well. Many of our customers use the VNS3 to build partner customer networks where they are connecting to devices owned and operated by multiple third parties. Version 4 has added the ability to negotiate both native IPsec and NAT traversal encapsulated IPsec tunnels from a single VNS3 controller. And this really eliminates a major challenge when accommodating the various third-party requirements due to hardware make models or expertise. The IPsec encapsulation is now a configurable choice on the endpoint instead of being a device-wide setting. Version 4 also improves IKE v2 parsing and logging, so it's now fully supported. Like the NAT traversal setting, there's now an IKE v1, IKE v2 toggle on the endpoint configuration page. You'll also notice the disabled tunnel status, which is a new feature in version 4. This allows our customers to complete a site-to-site IPsec configuration on the VNS3 side and only turn on the tunnels that are currently in use. This is helpful for some manual failover scenarios, as well as initial build out when the remote side isn't completely configured. It avoids adding errors to the logs on both the VNS3 and the remote devices. Finally, version 4 adds the ability for customers to install their own HTTPS certificates. Each VNS3 controller creates a unique self-signed certificate for HTTP access to the UI and API. We believe this to be a strong security posture, ensuring the certificate authority hasn't been compromised, but that said, we're sensitive to our customers' internal and external requirements to use a certificate that doesn't create a browser-based warning. All the features described in this video, like all the features and functions of VNS3, are available via the API. Until next time, thank you for your interest in VNS3, and good day and night.